Okay, so welcome to our house. Okay, y'all, so it is Friday morning when I'm recording. And tomorrow, oh gosh, oh, sorry, you're so, look how big, you have gotten. Have we even named you? We haven't even given you a name. Oh, because there's Roy. And that girl over there in the window is Cynthia. Look at Cynthia. Anyway, good morning. It's Friday morning. Around 7 o'clock on the dots in my drop top, cruising the street. Hey. It's too early. It's too damn early. If you don't wake up like this, sis, what you got going on, honey? What you got going on? Y'all, got my purse. As an old lady, that's an old young lady, it just rained, literally just poured down raining. If you know, I did all this earlier this week. It's okay. It's all right. But anyway, this is Cynthia. Cynthia and Roy. Okay, ow, Roy, you don't have to punch me in the head. Just trying to give y'all some light. But what was I saying? As a young old lady, I have my purse and stuff, and I come down here, planning to stay for the day. Because, honey, them steps. She ain't built like she used to. I have some white vinegar sitting out. Give me a cup of coffee. Today is my hair day, too. Today is the day I'm supposed to touch up my hair, cut my hair, all the things. But I'm going to turn my room back around. See, this is the room I care about. This is the room, this one and the bedroom. It's the only two rooms. And then the outside. But this room, I'm going to swap it back the way I had it. In fact, let's just do that now because I need these. Found me some earrings. I used to sell these in my Etsy store. Y'all, my little suit right here got faded. Like some of the dots, look, got faded, and it's giving like an ombre vibe, and it's only like right here, like just that side is faded with the dots, and then this side is not. It's a whole vibe now. It's a whole new outfit at this point. At this point, she's new.
Stepping out, it's Friday night. How I'm longing for this day. Yes, I'm single, oh, we want to mingle, and my friends are on the way. You got that good vibe. I want to spend some time back here with you. Oh, whoa. I got that good old times. You want to spend some time back here with me. Oh, whoa. And time after time, I am wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. Oh, that smile makes me tripping out. I wanna dance with you tonight. Yeah, you close to me, feeling good. I believe I gotta have you in my life. You got.
Okay, y'all, so this is a Goodwill find. I got it the same day I found the coffee table. And it was 20 bucks. I want to say I've shared this with you guys already, or maybe a preview. I'm not sure. Anyway, the weather is back and forth in terms of cloudy, rainy, scattered showers. But I really want to go ahead and try and get this desk completed today, which is Friday when I'm filming this video. Because our cookout is tomorrow, which is Saturday. And I know people will be in the space. And so I kind of don't want that utility table that I'm currently using as my table or my desk or whatever. So I'm challenging myself to complete this table all in one day to get it in there by tonight. So anyway, as you can see, it's giving principal, office, principal vibes, school teacher vibes, one of those really heavy, solid wood desks. So I knew I wanted to get it down to the natural wood. I really, really like color wood, but I also knew that because of this, the varnish or the whatever that color is on top, I knew it was going to have that wood stained. And so you'll see later on in the clips where I bleach the wood to get it really, really light, which I've also used that method before. So that's just what I'm doing right now. I am stripping it down to the natural wood to get it as light as I can possibly get it.
Place that will make her feel better, make her feel better, then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go.
Okay, so I want you guys to notice how the wood, even though it's down to the natural, how the wood still has a very orangey red undertone, as opposed to, see the corners where it's very blonde. Well, it's two different types of wood being used anyway. But also, again, the stain that was on here previously also did stain that type of wood, even though that wood does have somewhat of a reddish undertone anyway. So that's why I'm going to be bleaching it, because I want a fast, quick process, and I wanted to lessen the need to do a whitewash. Even though I still ended up doing one for evenness, I wanted to get the wood as light as I possibly could by using this method. Also, I will say, in order to do this and really get a good quick achievement, I'll say the sun really does need to be out. Even though it's super, super hot, the sun is what is going to dry the bleach really fast in between layers of bleaching, which you want that process, because you really should not add coats of bleach until the first coat is dry. So you shouldn't be applying wet to wet. It should be completely dry in between each layer. So having the sun out and shining really, really bright dries it really fast. Even while I'm filming, you could see in some of the clips, if I haven't edited it yet, how fast it's starting to dry, how white it's turning. That's what I'm going for here. So I'm going to probably do about 3 or 4 layers total off camera to get it the final color.
Ain't scared, just try to open up and let it lead somewhere. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. There's something juvenile about your pretty face, but it seems so hard for you to know when you need space. I hope you find your peace and that you get a taste with yourself. Oh, yeah. Let yourself unfold. Yeah. Let yourself unfold. Owe it to yourself to dare. Just try to open up and show someone you care. You might not be in intentional, but you seem scared. Just try to open up and let it lead somewhere. Breathe in some love, let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love, let yourself unfold.
So this was like my final attempt to lighten the wood without beating it up any more than I had already done so. And it was really at this point that I had determined that it had gotten as light as I can go. So that's why I ended up doing a whitewash. And I'm not sure if I filmed that or not. So because I was keeping this piece and not actually doing a flip selling it, or at least that's the thought behind it, I decided to go ahead and scuff sand the side that I knew you wasn't going to be able to see, as well as the underside where you would sit at. I wanted to go ahead and scuff sand that and paint it. And the part that I actually took the time to sand, that's the only part that I wanted to be exposed naturally. So all I'm doing here is just priming. I'm going to do 2 coats of primer and then finish it up with a gray, more closer to white, but with a little gray undertone to just give it something a little less than white. I don't even think I did that on camera. So yeah.
Let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love. Just take a look at yourself. Do you really think it's gonna help if you always fighting yourself, trying to forget how you felt? Just take a look at yourself. Can't even be your own friend, cause you're way too stuck in your head. How do you think it's gonna end? Nothing that they could do, nothing that they could say, nothing that they could do to take all the pain away. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it don't. Sometimes you win some and sometimes you won't. But we could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be everything that we want. We could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be anything that we want. You think if they said it, then they must mean it. So you should feel it, somehow you think that you need it. Others' opinions, to know how you're feeling, to know if you're losing or winning, left behind or